Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. I have here a 2013 Chevrolet 3500 Duramax, dual wheel diesel, Allison transmission, 4-wheel drive. It's got a Royal work body on it, crew cab. It's a one owner, it's got low miles, right around 60,000 miles on this. Yeah, 60, so pretty good miles on it. Body's in pretty good shape. Show you a little walk around here. Inside of the boxes are clean, pretty rust free. This truck did come out of Oklahoma. Do have a couple spots where the paint is chipping off of the body. See that? Nothing too crazy, but just want to point that out. And we've got a couple spots where rock chips got up there. It has the top boxes too with the trays. Just pretty nice. You got a diesel tank in the back and a pump. Heavy duty tow hitch. Bed lined on the inside. Pretty nice heavy duty spray in bed liner. I'll show you the body on this side. Nice thing about the dual wheel is you get that nice deep box, tons of space in there. If you have any questions, need any measurements or anything like that, my phone number is 804-716-8487. Call or text anytime. I'm happy to answer any questions. So again, a couple spots where the paint's chipped off the body. Again, nothing major, but just want to point everything out. Cab of the truck's in excellent shape. No rips, no tears, no stains. I mean, it's really clean. Cloth seats, rubber floors, power locks, power windows, tow package. You can see that 65,756 on the odometer. Got the exhaust brake here, 2 keys for the body. Runs out great, no issues. AC blows ice cold. Sounds good, drives good, no weird vibrations, runs straight down the road. Shifts tight. You know, pretty good setup with the Duramax and the Allison. Not a whole lot of problems with that. So, like I said, cab of the truck's in really good shape. The only spots to really be aware of are on the work body itself, just where some of that paint's chipped off. But overall, the truck is very clean. Low miles. Again, if you do have any questions, feel free to call, text 804-716-8487. That's just a spot. There was a extinguisher bracket on the back here, and it's just kind of stained behind there. I removed it. All right, thanks for watching.